Hi, I'm Chef Mara. Kasama ko naman ngayon si Mommy Aiza na may special recipe na ituturo sa atin. So, ano ba itong special recipe mo?
Ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ang aking favorite recipe na cheese sticks with cheesy puso ng saging dip.
Wow! Alam mo, bihira akong kumain ng puso ng saging pero this sounds really interesting.
Yes, sobrang sarap nito. Kasi yung OFW ko na asawa, every time na umuwi siya dito sa Philippines, hinahanap-hanap at binabalik-balikan niya itong recipe na to.
I'm sure masarap naman talaga to. So, ituro mo na. Let's start
Yes,
cooking.
let's start!
Okay, so let's start. Ano po ba yung first step?
Ang first step natin is, we take the puso ng saging, slice it into two, rub it with salt, soak it in water for 20 minutes, squeeze it, and then chop it finely. After this, we can proceed na to the next step.
Okay.
For our next step, we will get some butter, melt it in the pan,
Okay.
and then we can add some onions para masutay natin.
Ang bango-bango na talaga.
Hintayin lang natin yung onions na maging medyo translucent before we can add the puso ng saging and the spinach.
Okay. Para talagang lumabas yung lasa ng onions.
Alright, now we can add our chopped puso ng saging. Then we will also add some spinach to add color.
Okay. Ayan, ang bango na niya. Oh my
Oo
gosh.
nga.
This looks so good, ah.
That's true. Tsaka healthy talaga siya.
Yes.
Since it's made of vegetables, di ba?
I'm sure yung kids siguro hindi naman nila mamalaya na healthy itong kinakain nila kasi sobrang sarap.
That's true. Okay, so I think we can add the cream already, Chef, no? So let's add the cream.
Tapos, do we wait for it to thicken?
Yes, it will thicken a bit later. Pero makaka-help sa pag-thicken ng ating special ingredient, the Eden Melt Syrup Cheese.
Ito pala yung secret ingredient ng recipe mo.
That's true. And then we can add some salt to taste.
Ito na, Mommy, yung special recipe nyo, ang cheese sticks with cheesy puso ng saging dip.
That's right, Chef. O diba, ang ganda ng pagka-plate mo.
Yes, super effort talaga.
Actually, a simpler version of this recipe is that we can substitute the cheese sticks with garlic toast or crackers. Na pwede din natin itop with Eden Melt Syrup Cheese to make it more cheesy. Since alam ko na gustong-gusto mo ng cheese.
Yes, alam mo, super correct ka dyan. Before we try your recipe, why don't you take a picture?
Oo nga, I almost forgot. Now I can upload this at cheeseanything.com where we can find great recipes and you can share yours too. Meron din itong mobile app that we can download on our smartphones.
Alam mo, Mommy, thank you talaga so much for sharing with us your recipe. I'm sure babalik-balikan namin ito. Thank you so much.
No problem, Chef Mara. Anytime.
Hi mga mommies! Alam nyo ba, may promo rin ng Eden ngayon. Here are the winners for this week. To get the chance to win, just buy an Eden 165-gram pack, download the app, check the recipes through the digital reality feature, then simply click on the promo button. Sobrang dali lang! And pwede ka pang manalo ng prizes gaya ng TV or laptop. Up to 2 million pesos worth of prizes to be given away. And ang daming pwedeng manalo every week. Kaya anong prang hinihintay nyo? Sali na!